Hi all. Today the session 5. Okay, it is a message digest topic to be discussed on today. Okay, the aim of the session is understanding of message digest file algorithm. Okay, and also the objective of this topic is theoretical background and demonstration of MD5 and demonstrate the MD5 algorithm. Okay. So introduction, coming to this session starts with the MD5 algorithm of single round. So in the hash functions family, MD means message digest. Designed by the Ron Rivers, is a mathematician, Polish mathematician who introduced this message digest concept of family MD2, MD4, and MD5. In the message digest, the concept behind message digest is it is a fixed size numerical representation derived from a given input data of arbitrary length. It is generated using a mathematical algorithm called a hash function. Okay, so the purpose of this message digest is to provide a unique and condensed representation of the input data. Okay, the resulting digest is typically a fixed length sequence of characters or bits regardless of the size of the original input. Okay, this makes it useful for verifying the integrity of data, detecting the changes or tampering, and ensuring the data authenticity. Coming to the message digest has several important properties. First one is deterministic. It is given the input, same input, the hash function will always produce the same digest. Okay, this property allows us consistency and reproducibility. Okay, and the second one is fixed size. The length of the digest is typically fixed regardless of the input size. Okay, these are the common hash functions, that is MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256 produce the digest of specific lengths. Coming to the MD message digest have several important properties. One is the collision resistance, and the last one is message digest. Okay, it provides the data integrity checks. So these are the message digest 5 properties. Message digest length is 128 bits. Okay, basic unit of processing 512 bits. Number of steps will be 64. Of for each 4 rounds of 16. Maximum message size is infinity. Primitive logical functions are 4. Additive constants used 64. Indianness is little Indian. Stable processing. Here type MD5 contains 128 bits of data processor of 469.7 MB file with 1 second. So SHA-1 is a processor of 160 bits of here 339.4 MB data is to be processed, and last SHA-512 contains 512 bits of data of 177.7 megabytes per second. So these are the things are discussed in MD2, MD4 and MD5. So MD2 introduced in 1989. It is used for optimized for 8-bit computer, and also the collisions are occurred in 1995. Okay, so that's why you look for a new message digest algorithm called MD4. Introduced in 1990. It contains full round of collision attacks, which is found in 1995. Now coming to the MD5, 1992, simplified as internet standard in request for call RFC 1321. And also since 1997 it was theoretically not so hard to create a collision, and also it is practically collision of this method broken in since 2004. C attack published on 2006. So these are the MD5 overview. Here the entire message of k bits are divided into 512 bits. Each 512 bits are represented by y0, y1, y up to yq, and yl-1, where each message is digested through h of MD5 with initial value iv. So produce the 120 bit digest. Okay, so here the total this block, block 1, block 2, block 3, and last block I. This is the block I, and block J had been discussed in the message digest algorithm. These are the algorithms and the relevant pictures. These are the in detail representation of hash algorithm. This is hash function analysis. Okay, cryptanalytical attacks exploit the some property of algorithms, so which is done through faster than exhaustive search. Okay, hash functions are iterative procedure. Okay, hash attacks focus on collisions in function of f. This is attacks on hash function. This is a session description. The summary of the the session is it is a keyless algorithms. Okay, there are three security requirements for hash functions: one-wayness, second pre-image resistance, and collision resistance. MD5 is insecure in nature, and it is seriously secure weaknesses have been found. So these are the questions are occurred in the self-assessment module. If you have any doubts, ask me. These are the terminal questions asked in examinations. Compare and contrast SHA-512 and MD5 is a very important question. Illustrate MD5 with a need diagram. Okay, how does the MD5 algorithm process with input message of arbitrary length? Okay, describe the series of logic functions, bitwise operations, and modular additions used in MD5. And last question is discuss the internal state maintained by the MD5 algorithm. These are the textbooks. Thank you. Thank you very much.